Hi everyone, this is Javier Jonguitud again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Yucatecan brioche thread. First, we're gonna need some water, 30 grams of yeast, 1 kilogram of flour, 10 grams of salt, 6 eggs, 250 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of butter, 1 egg, 540 grams of cream cheese, and 400 grams of icing sugar. Okay, first we need to mix the yeast with the milk, some sugar, some flour, and then we have to mix it pretty well. It's important to let this mixture leaven for about 10 minutes. Okay, now that our leaven dries, it's time for us to mix the flour with the eggs, the sugar, the salt, and our leaven until we have a dough ball. Once we have our dough ball, we need to add the butter and knead for about 15 minutes. At the beginning the dough ball will look a little watery, but you must continue kneading to obtain the desired consistency. Now I'm gonna put some oil on a bowl and I'm gonna spread it. Then I'm gonna place the dough ball on the bowl. Then I'm gonna cover it with a cloth and I'm gonna leave it rise for about 1 hour. While I wait for the dough ball to rise, I'm gonna make the filling by mixing the cream cheese with 100 grams of sugar. After an hour, our dough rises and now we need to strike it out just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take it out of the bowl, I'm gonna place it on the table and I'm gonna cut it in 4 equal pieces. Okay, now I'm gonna take one of the pieces and I'm gonna extend it as you can see on the video, and then I'm gonna fill it with some of the filling that I made with the cream cheese and the sugar. Now we need to cover the cheese and close these spaces with your fingers. Once it's closed, you just need to roll it up until you have a large mass. I need 2 strips of dough for making this thread, so I have to repeat this step one more time. Now I'm gonna grease the mold that I will use. Now I'm gonna place one on the top of the other to form a bracket. Okay, now it's time to place the braid on the mold and I'm gonna cover it with the cloth. Then I'm gonna leave it there until it dries for about 1 hour. Now I'm gonna mix 1 egg with some milk. With this I'm gonna varnish my thread once it has dried. Now that the thread dries and it's varnished, it's time for me to put it at the oven for 30 minutes at 180 centigrade degrees. After 30 minutes, it's time to take it out of the oven and let it cool. While we wait for the thread to get cold, I'm gonna make the cover that we're gonna put on it. For this, I'm gonna use the icing sugar and some water. We have to mix it until we get this consistency. Okay, now we just need to put some of the cover on the thread. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.